TH sound. Th. It is very usual in English language. Thank you. I thank you very much. I think about you every day. Attention. Think. Think. I think about that thing. Maça, massinha, maçã. Se você sabia, por que não me falou? Se você sabia, por que não me contou? So, very important and meaningful sound in English language. Thank you. Practice